about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
And here we have the Malibu Van Charming GT 600 DB, part of the Carthargo group. The Malibu, as you can see, is based on the Fiat Ducato. It's got a 2.3 litre diesel engine, and this one will develop 160 brake horsepower for you. As we can see from the front, we've got the Malibu decals, sunroof on top, a silver front on this one. It's the silver, there is a choice of colours. We've got alloy wheels. The decals on this silver paintwork are a mixture of black, gold and red. We do have a two-lay entrance step down below. We can see the sliding door is on the off side, and as we follow it round we can have a look at the rear opening doors. Both doors open outward and lead into the large garage space under the fixed double bed to the rear. I can't show you the near side because unfortunately there's another vehicle parked there, but we'll go inside. Got nice window tints on this model. We've also got a fly screen as well, so when you do have the door slid open you don't have to worry about bugs getting in. Over here we've got the drivers and passengers seats. This is obviously a left-hand drive as we are at the Dusseldorf show. This model has the manual gearbox. I believe automatic will be available as an option. As well as the two front seats, we've got two fixed seats here further in the lounge area, and a very large fixed table which will also slide out further for anyone else using the front seats. You can drop this table down so it doesn't have to remain there permanently. Above the seats we've got space for a 22-inch television. We've also got plenty of lighting and storage room ahead. As we move back we can see the sunroof above the seats to let in lots of light, and on top of that there's a further hecky light here. All these have got blinds so you can darken it down on an evening. Kitchen wise, we do have a nice little kitchen area. There's a little slide out flap there to give you some extra space, which is quite innovative. As we come down we've got a small and compact sink, two gas burners and loads of drawer space, three good sized slide out drawers. There's also undercovered space here, light switches, and we do have two plug sockets as well for kettles or toasters or coffee machines. We also find on this model we do have a fridge over here. We're not going without on this van. We have a Dometic fridge here, good size space there, and below that we find a fixed wardrobe space underneath. Toilet and shower, that's to our off side. If I slide the door back here, got a nice sliding door mechanism, and this leads into a really well thought out toilet and shower room. At the moment you may well be able to see the toilet is slid to the right, it goes under the bed, so when you want to use the shower, which is fixed here, you do have lots of room to have a shower with all this floor space. You're not having to compromise. There's two plug holes as well to aid drainage depending on how you've levelled. There's a smallish sink here. There's also a plug socket in this one. Whether that'll be standard in the UK I don't know. And we've got a cabinet above which is mirrored. When you're using the shower there is a shower screen too, just over here on the right, so you don't have to worry about water getting into the main area of the van. When you want to use the toilet you do just slide it back across and it's perfectly usable and accessible. We'll slide the door back from the bathroom. There we go. And then back here we can see the large double bed. It's absolutely huge. And here we see the storage as well underneath. This will be your garage area. So there's plenty of room under there for all sorts of things that you might want to take with you. It is an open space into the van though, so you would have to be careful that nothing rolls forward, or if you put anything wet in there, that liquid doesn't spill forward. The bed itself, it does separate in the middle, so you can open this up to transport bikes or anything like that if you're using it as an everyday vehicle, as well as a van conversion. The bed, you're easily going to sleep 2 adults on that. If you're a family, you can probably get at least 1 child on there with you. I know it seems to be quite popular in Europe. Up above, we've got 3 cabinets for storage. As I say, we do already have a wardrobe as well. There's lighting underneath, so you can operate that whilst in bed. This vehicle has air-blown heating, so you're going to be nice and warm in winter. You can use it all year round. We'll just turn back again and have one more look at the front cab. So there we go. That's the Malibu. What we want to know is some facts and figures, so I'll have a quick look at those and that will summarise what we've seen. So it's the Van Charming GT. This is a 6-metre van. On this model, it's got a gross weight of 3.3 tonnes, although it can be upgraded up to 4 tonnes. And that will give a good sized payload of 525 kilos. So this van will suit whether you've got a B licence or whether you've got the C1. Price wise, very competitive, €48,000 for the model we've just looked at. So €48,000, that's pretty good value, because all over this looks like a really well equipped van. So we've pulled the sliding door across, and now you can see it fully with the door across. It's a good looking vehicle, is that, for 48,000. So there we have it, the Malibu Charming GT 600 double bed.